Hello guys, welcome back to my tutorial center. I remain your humble friend, Emmalex, Emmanuel. Let us do it again. In today's video, I want to talk about the topic I titled, After JAMB registration, what next? It is obvious that by this time you have already filled your JAMB form, you have processed it and you have gotten your slip. It means you have registered. While some are still planning to register, they are still in the CBT center waiting for their turn to be registered. That's why I've made this topic. After JAMB registration, what next? I'll answer a few questions because this is a question. After you have done your JAMB printing, what next? After you have gotten the assurance that your form has been processed, what next? Now, I'll just provide 4 answers to these questions. The 4 answers are very, very important. So I'll urge you to pay attention as I provide answers to these questions. After JAMB registration, what next? After you have printed your JAMB slip, what next? After you have gotten the money to buy JAMB form and you have gotten your profile code and you are ready to process your JAMB form, what next? Now, this is not time to go and relax because you have processed your form, you have registered, so you go and sleep. But it is time for you to wake up and sit back and know that you have a task ahead of you. The task ahead of you is not an easy task. You are competing with millions of people, sometimes 2 point something million, 3 point something million people, or let me say candidates competing with you also. And the course you are applying for, you are up to 1,500, 2,000 of you applying for that course, and that school needs just 100, 200, or 300 students, and you are 1,000 applying for that course. So it is time to sit up and know that the task ahead of you is not an easy task. Now, to give answers to that question, the first thing I will say is that study the latest JAMB syllabus. Yes, JAMB has given a syllabus for this year JAMB. They have listed out the topics in each the subject that you should focus on. You don't go carry your chemistry textbook or physics or mathematics and studying everything in the textbook. They have given a list of topics you should focus on each of the subject you are about to write in your JAMB. And for us to make it easy for you, we have provided a link in this video description that will take you to our website where we listed all the subjects and their syllabus. So if you want to study the JAMB syllabus, the latest one, check the video description. You will see a link that will take you to our website where we have all the syllabus listed and well explained. So get to the website, see your syllabus there, pick your subject, study, note the topics that JAMB have specified for you to study this year, and then focus on those topics, study them, use those topics to read and prepare for the exam. Number 2 is you are to study without ceasing. As I said earlier, your form is processed, you have your JAMB sleep, which means you have registered the JAMB. Yes, don't go and sleep. Don't go and start going to friends, boasting, I'm going to school. No, study without ceasing. It is now time for you to now focus where, just like the Bible said, in season and out of season, we should be praying. So this time now, I will say, study in season and out of season. Whether you are in the mood or you are not in the mood, study, because the task ahead of you is not an easy task. That is number 2. Number 3, study past questions. Wow, this is very, very important. You know, past questions, most times they repeat. JAMB repeat most past questions. Most times they don't repeat, but the essence of studying the past questions is not because you want to see the same questions being repeated. No, it is for you to use that standard, that JAMB standard, to equip yourself and prepare yourself, so that by the time you enter the exam hall, you will be sure, or you have that confidence that you have practiced using past questions. That level of exam you are going to write is what you use to practice. Don't use WAEC to practice. WAEC is for lesser exams. use JAMB past question to practice so that you will know that what you used to practice is what you are about to embark on. In the exam hall, you have the confidence. What you practice was JAMB, and there you are here to write JAMB. The confidence will be there. I know when you have that confidence, it will give you more edge to passing the JAMB examination. And to further help you, we have also put a link in this video description that will take you to our website to where we listed all the subjects and their past questions plus the answers. What I mean is that we have prepared past questions and answers on almost all the JAMB subjects. So I have put a link to this video description. Check the video description, you will see a link that will take you to where we have all the past questions. Download them in a PDF file or MS Word to your phone and practice them in season and out of season. I've listed 3: study latest JAMB syllabus, study in season and out of season, study past questions. Then the last one is subscribe to our channel, turn on notification bell, because from now till JAMB exam will come up, I will be posting videos that will help you on how to succeed in your JAMB journey. So subscribe now to our YouTube channel and always check our channel so that you will see more videos. Our next video will be about JAMB result upgrade. We will discuss about result upgrade, if it is possible or not. So that if it is possible, you will learn how to upgrade your result. If not possible, you will know why you shouldn't have that mindset towards result upgrade. But for now, I don't know whether it is true or not. When we post it, you will know. Also, I also post the video that will give you tips on how to score high in your JAMB results or in your JAMB examination. So subscribe now and turn on the notification bell. Let me do a summary of what I've discussed so far. I am thanking you for being part of this channel. As I've said, the topic is after JAMB registration, what next? Also, after you have done your JAMB printing, your JAMB slip printing, what next? After you have processed your JAMB form and you are ready to write the JAMB, which is coming very soon, what next? And I give answers to all these questions. I say, 1, study the latest JAMB syllabus, which I have provided a link to our website where we explain where we provided the JAMB syllabus. Study past questions, study it to the core, use it to do revision, use it for your practice. Study it, and then at the end, go to the final page and see the answers and compare to what you have answered. Still, to make it better for you, we have given a link to our website where we listed all the JAMB past questions and the answers. And I also said study without ceasing. Study in season and out of season, because the journey ahead of you is not an easy task. And if you study in season and out of season, you also preparing yourself for the post UTME for those that apply for in schools that still write post UTME. And then we say subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that whenever we post new videos, you will be notified. Thank you for being part of this channel. If you have any question or any comment, use the comment section to ask your question. If you have anything to contribute, if you have any advice, if you have anything to say contrary to what I've said, if you want to add, use the comment section to add or advise those who are preparing for JAMB. If it is question, I'll be right here waiting for your questions. I will give you answers. Sometimes I will do the video to give your answers, or I will reply your comments. Thank you. Have a lovely day. I am still your friend, Emmalex Emmanuel.